Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to cover one of the fundamentals aspect of using Microsoft Excel, creating and opening workbook. Whether you are a beginner or just need refresher, this is a crucial skill to master. So let's jumping to get started. You will need to have Microsoft Excel installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, so you can easily download it from the Microsoft Office website or use an online version if you have Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Okay, so first let's learn how to open Excel. You can do this in several ways, but the most common is through the start menu or desktop shortcut. Simply click on the Excel icon to the launch application in here, and here you can find this say the Excel. Then click over here. Now it gives you the Excel options, and from there you can easily select from here like the recent used or use the new blank workbook. Okay, so when I click over now, it created with the new workbook. Okay, this way you can easily open the workbook in your computer. Now what I'm gonna do, now I'm gonna create new workbook. By this way you can easily use the file, and from the file you can easily use the new tab, and from there you can find there is a several template. You can easily select from like the suggested template. This is the pre-designed template. Okay, and if you want to more, you can just easily type from here and you can get the more suggested template or use the blank workbook by clicking over there, and you can get a new workbook. Okay, so and you now see there is the new workbook. By this way you can easily create and open the workbook from your computer. So and there you have it. Creating and opening workbook in Excel is as simple as that. Whether you are starting a new project or counting and exiting one, these skills are building blocks of Excel proficiency. So thanks for watching.